Hello, welcome to this exciting episode on geometric construction, episode number 5. Here we'll be treating the construction of a line which is parallel to a given point. So we want to see how we can draw parallel lines to a given line. So what are the steps that we are going to follow? We will let a given line be AB, then we mark any point, say P and Q on the line. Then you construct two perpendicular lines, which will be PX and QT through the point P and what? Q. Now, what do? We place the compass point at the point P, and with any reasonable radius, draw an arc to intersect the point PX, P and the X, which is the new point we are having. Then repeat the step in 3 so that we can have your intersection on the line QT. So now we draw a line through the point S and T. That's going to be parallel to the line AB. So let's see how we can put that into practice. So our first thing to do is to take our ruler and draw any line. Let's say I'm having a line here. Don't forget to have half an inch for A, half an inch for B. So this is a line segment AB. So now we are going to mark any point on the line. So let's say I am marking here to be P, marking here to be Q. So these are the 2 points that we are to mark, P and Q on the line. Then we construct two perpendicular lines, P and S, Q and T. Don't forget, in the previous episode, we've learned how to construct a perpendicular line through a point on the line. So that same procedure that we follow in constructing that, meaning I am going to first of all stand at the point that I have here, open a reasonable radius, make an arc, and make an arc. And standing there on this various arc that I have made, open a radius, make an arc, come back to the same arc that I made here, and intersect. Don't forget, this method has been dealt with in the previous episode. You can check it out. I think that will be in episode number 3. So now we are going to have a line perpendicular to P. So here we are labeling as what? S. Because we are looking for perpendicular PS. Right? Then we go for perpendicular QT. So let's see. Repeating the same procedure we did for the P, for the Q. Stand on it. Then open a reasonable radius. My line is not that long, but let me leave it there. So with those 2 lines, open a radius. It's going to be the same radius, so let me not change the radius. Let me see. Okay, so I stand in there, make an arc, come back to the point here, make an arc. So now my perpendicular QT is also drawn. So what did I do? Draw a line through that. Good. So we label here as what? This will be T. So what is next? We have to draw a line through ST. Drawing a line through ST. Draw a line through ST. So ST is now parallel to the AB. So this is the parallel line that we are looking for. So this is one way using these steps. We have another way by which we can also construct the same parallel lines. So let's check how we can do that also. In that direction, we still have to draw our line. We label A, we label B. So in the course of that, we are going to stand a point, let's say P, and a point Q. Now standing on both P and Q, standing in there, open any radius, making an arc, preferably in the form of a semicircle, come back to the same point Q, making another arc in the same of a semicircle. So now we are going to draw a line to the back of that semicircle, making sure that it is touching it. So if we label here as S, label here as T, we can also say that the line ST is parallel to the line AB. So drawing a parallel line to a given line, the two steps can be followed. I believe you grab it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.